Namaste friends. Today I shall share with you all the process of making the most easiest way to make our dishwash cleaning soap. We just need two ingredients. One is citrus bioenzyme liquid and other one is soap nut powder. Here I have used the store-bought fine soap nut powder. Just add the citrus bioenzyme to the soap nut powder till you get the desired consistency of the soap and you're ready to go and wash the dishes. It cleans all the materials perfectly. Both of these ingredients won't even get spoiled. So I feel this is the best way to use in our busy lifestyles. Now what if we don't have time to make citrus bioenzyme? We still have another easy method to make our own natural dishwash cleaning soap. And that is using soap nut powder and any leftover old fermented idli or dosa batters. The batter has to be at least 4 to 5 days old, and any grain or millets batter would do. Just mix the soap nut powder to the batter to the consistency you require, and the batter also thickens, and all kinds of metal items can be cleaned perfectly. Yes, even the greasy vessels are washed very well. The Shikakai powder or wood ash powder can also be used along with the bioenzyme or fermented batters instead of soap nut powder. Few drops of essential oils can also be used for additional fragrance. And you all might be aware that mixing some salt to the acidic fruit juices or their pulp can be used to wash dishes as well. Just see to that it is economical, convenient, and that works best for you. And just start making these natural dishwash cleaning soap. Thank you.